Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be checking out this iFu electronics repair kit, and it has an electric screwdriver with 90 bits inside. So you can see the packaging is very slick, very clean. Very impressed with this. If you are considering getting it for a gift for someone, the packaging is not going to be embarrassing and it's going to be very pleasing. The color itself here is like this kind of navy-ish gray color, so it looks pretty cool overall. Let's start with the main piece, which is the pen. And this screwdriver pen is going to be electronic, and the way it works is you just press the button and it starts to spin. So let's go ahead and test it out. So this is very cool. So you have two buttons. One is counterclockwise and the other is just regular. So if I go ahead and do clockwise, you can see it spins and a light turns on. If I do counterclockwise, it spins and churns the other way. If you want to attach a bit, pull out whatever you need. Let's just go get like a regular screwdriver bit here, and we just simply plop it in. And it is magnetic, and it's going to stick there nicely. You can see. And then if you want to charge this thing, on the other side, on the back, you can see that there is going to be a USB-C port over there. It's going to charge for an hour, and then you get the full charge. So I do have this heat gun here that I can do a demo test on to see how the screwdriver works. So this heat gun does have a heat protector shield like the black tip here. So we're going to go ahead and try to remove it. So we got the tip. We're going to go onto there. And then what we're going to do is we are just going to unscrew it. Oh, that was pretty simple. I can actually remove this bit here. And now you can see, I can see what's inside of here. Let's go ahead and put this screw back on. And then go ahead and tighten it. And this is going to be same thing, but the other way. And now it's back on and we can't remove it. Now what else is inside this package is going to be, or rather this toolbox is going to be an accessories case. This is just the cover. You can remove this if you don't need it. But it comes with the cable itself from USB-A all the way to USB-C. And you can just plug this in anywhere if you need it. You probably have some laying around your house, so you don't really need to use it all the time. Comes with an extender, so if you need to drill something further where you can't reach, you can extend it and then attach any bit onto there and really go as far as you need to. We also have a few tools that are used for prying things open or maybe cleaning. Here's some of the three sticks that were included. And then you also get a brush, like a cleaning brush, so if you have some dust inside of your electronics. And then on this side over here, we have another case, and we can see here we have like an X-Acto knife, and in order to open it, you just pull it off carefully, and then you have your X-Acto knife there. And this can be easily replaced if you need to. Just unscrew it a little, it gets loose, and then the X-Acto knife just comes right off, and then you can put it right back in. This is very familiar to any other X-Acto knife. And then you have like a little jar with more X-Acto knife pieces inside of here. Then we're also going to have this screen suction, or I guess you can use it for anything when you're trying to pry something off. Then you have a lot more prying tools here. So the ones I'm going to show first kind of look like these guitar pick type things, and there's quite a few in here. So you do have your plastic ones and also a metal one. And then you're going to have some additional tips here. These are going to be tweezers. So you're going to have a simple one like this. It looks like it's just two very small grips. And then you're also going to have another tweezer, and this one is more at an angle, as you can see. And then the final piece is going to be a metal prying tool. This is kind of going to be similar to the plastic one here, or even the metal one, but this one is kind of on a handle, so it might be a little more comfortable if you're trying to get in somewhere and need that extra like grip and length. And then you have a lot of tool bits here. I mean, some mini extenders on the edges here. But in total, this entire set has 90 pieces, and it seems like it's really good value for what you're getting. You get like a toolbox, you get like a little storage piece here, and then you get all of this stuff here. And then, of course, the main star of the show is this thing. The electric ones are so nice. They're just so satisfying to use, and definitely worth investing to if you do this on a frequent basis. And if you don't, you just want something nice, I could definitely recommend getting this electric screwdriver repair kit. If you're interested, links are going to be down in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.